Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Skillstream. In today's video, we will learn about overloaded constructor. We will see syntax and example and we will execute a program and check the output. So let's get started. Okay, so the definition. As the name given is overloaded constructor, or you can say multiple constructor. That means a class can have more than one constructor. It can be any type of constructor. Okay. In previous videos, we have seen default constructor. That means no parameters. We have seen parameterized constructor with parameters. We have seen constructor with default value. Okay. So this multiple constructor or overloaded constructors means that one class will have more than one constructor. It can be any type of constructor, right? See the syntax. Class name, public, class name. The first constructor is without parameter. So it is which type of constructor? Default constructor. The second constructor has one parameter. It is a type of parameterized constructor. Second is also a parameterized constructor. Then this one is also a parameterized constructor with 3 arguments. Okay. So we have multiple constructor in a class, which will give you overloaded constructor. Clear? It's very simple. From the name itself, we can say that a class will have multiple constructors. Means more than one constructor in a class. Now, see the example. I have a class employee with data members A and B. Inside the public section, employee, the first constructor is default constructor in which we don't have to pass any parameters. The second constructor, I have passed only one parameter, that is a parameterized constructor. The third constructor has 2 arguments. Okay, so you can see in all we have 3 constructors. Clear? Multiple constructors in a class. Now we will see how to execute this. Class employee. This is a default constructor. If you want, you can give value or keep it blank. Okay. Now for displaying, we need to write put data function. Okay. So these are three constructors. Main. Create object. Employee E. Okay. E dot put data. Employee E1. Pass only one parameter. E1 dot put data. Employee E2. Pass both the parameters. Okay, so what we have done inside this void main is employee E. We have created an object. So this statement will call which constructor? Default constructor. Okay. The second constructor call, that is employee E1 12, will call the second constructor. The third one, employee E2, will call the third constructor. Now let's check the output. Yes, check. A and B are 0. From where we are getting this value? We are getting the value from the first constructor, that is a default constructor. Then A equal to 12, B equal to 12. This value we are getting from which constructor? The second constructor, in which we have passed only one parameter. That was a parameterized constructor. The third value is from the third constructor, that is also a parameterized constructor, but we have passed two values. Okay. So this is the example of multiple constructor in a class, or you can say overloaded constructor. Okay. The definition is quite simple. Multiple constructor. The definition is quite simple. Multiple constructor in a class or overloaded constructor is nothing but in a class we need to write more than one constructor. Clear? So that is the output. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching.